What's up, guys? It's Jacob with Eric. He's gonna help with the install process. I'm working with DarkMatterX. They sent me a new shift arm linkage setup, which should take care of that sloppiness and the shifter that Subaru guys have problems with. Boom, that's nice. With a shifter, I hope that's focused. Shifter air freshener. Here is that fancy new shifter arm linkage right here. That joint, see? Eric's got the perfect form, so. This right here is supposed to take care of that floppiness. So when you're shifting like in gear, it's like, kind of more, I guess it's kind of like this, and the sloppiness, you know? So,
how's it go?
Kind of like this.
Wow. Yeah.
Okay, so for you, those of you who don't know, or are looking to do this, it's not this arm here. It's not this one with the big joint down here. It's the one above it. Anyways, it feeds all the way right here and runs into the cab. Shine light over here, Eric. Kind of runs up through this rubber boot up into the cab. But we're gonna take this piece off. Sometimes you need like a butter knife, or like I showed you guys before. Got this fancy Cornwell kit. Twist and pull. Okay, we're just gonna like flop that right there. This is what we're taking off next, which I think is like an 11 and a 12. I needed the short socket.
Just stealing my tools.
Short socket makes it easier. Push it too hard. Okay, and then your goal is to drop this nut so you never can use it again. Grab this little guy off. Please. Please.
You're gonna have to remove the dash to get that bolt. Oh, never mind.
And get baited.
Subaru storage device, they know you're gonna be working here.
And then we'll just let that limpy for a second, you know?
He's used to that.
So this is what we're taking out. So he's taking this transmission bracket off here. So
14 and a 17.
You can take that bar off, and there's 3-bolt bracket over there. You take that off and then you can access the punch pad.
It's just gonna give us a little bit more room. Just a little bit. It's just scared.
He just cut my O2 sensor wire.
Yeah, this is a very unimportant wire. That's actually just in the way more than anything. The next step is to remove the engine.
Oh. So our next step, we're moving this one here. Boom, boom.
Fleece for your reverse. That's what this cable is.
Is that what that cable is?
STI only. That didn't help us get much space.
What?
Nothing.
Oh.
No, you're fine.
Oh, you mean that right there? Where it's just like, hey.
So this doesn't go out. Yeah. No, you're stuck forever. There. Okay, this goes down. There's an opening right there. Goes down. Shift it to the side. You can remove this bolt. This is the stabilizer bar for the transmission. It does not tighten up shifting at all. But everybody buys that
Yeah,
part.
for you guys that buy this bushing that goes to that right there, which is a stabilizer bar, it will not fix the sloppiness in your shifter.
We're taking this bracket off to get to the pin.
So I know it's not focusing on that. That bracket he just took off. So that bracket goes right there. One, kind of goes up. Yep, just like that. So now that bracket is out of the way, which goes up here and there, there's a pin right, you guys can't really see it. It's like up there, and it goes on.
Where's your
like
pin
right in,
punches?
basically right in this like hole. So now he's gonna try and
Pin
punch the pin.
Punch the pin right there.
Don't actually punch it though. It'll hurt.
Well, you gotta make sure on the other
there.
side of it.
What do we need now?
Your extremely average size pry bar.
Okay, yep.
And feed it under there nice and gently.
Nice and gently.
And then pop her out.
Oh. So this thing we need to pull out. This piece here, we need to pull out of that boot, and it's probably gonna rip. That boot is for the actual joint. So that boot is for this joint here, and then we clip it on basically here and there.
Yeah. So we have two options. We pull it through here, or we pull it through this. Let's try and pull it this way from the top side so that we can preserve the boot.
Sounds good. So he's almost got that through.
Not really.
Right there, kinda.
He's lying. It's not even close. Just kind of pull the boot around that column.
Good thing I'm so skinny, right? Just makes this so much easier.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shut up. Almost fell. It's okay though. Actually, Eric, you want to hand me my flashlight real quick?
Yeah.
I can't see shit. Oh, there's a quarter down there. Been looking all over for that. No, it'd probably be easier, honestly, if you pull it out from the bottom, I think, maybe.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, so as you feed the new DarkMatterX shifter linkage through, you're gonna take the supplied boot, put that on, and clamp it on both sides.
Here he is.
Here I am.
Working. For once.
Yep.
It's impact rated, apparently. Oh. I guess.
I guess.
So that goes there. Up in there on that pin.
Mm-hmm.
Pinhole. Easy peasy.
Perfect. Okay.
Do you know which way this goes?
Nope, I really don't.
Probably the way it fits. Got it.
Yeah, well, maybe, I guess.
Tech tip. You guys ready for a tech tip?
Tech tip. Tech tip, everybody.
Tech tip.
Tech tip.
You get yourself a vacuum tube or a fuel line that fits.
One
here.
that fits.
Why do you gotta say it like that? Alright, so we got a fuel line. You're gonna wanna cut yourself a, just not yourself, you cut the hose, you know what I mean?
I mean, if you're into that, maybe then.
I mean, yeah, all kinds, we welcome all kinds. Get yourself about, oh, you know, about a ½ inch.
That's plenty.
½ inch.
½ inch is plenty.
Put that over your pin punch.
Mm-hmm.
Right? You got your pin. Put that halfway through. Now.
Gosh. Won't even leave.
All right. Tech tip. That'll save you thousands of hours.
Oh,
and
and
right,
there's
see?
the sun that just illuminated.
You want to make sure that this is tapped in to at least 17 foot-pounds. You want to check the elasticity of rubber. Want to avoid this Exhibit A.
Exhibit A ripping.
This is very old rubber. This rubber would have held up if it was new, so you can get these new from Subaru for about $8,000.
69 cents.
And 69 cents. This is the reverse cable. We are going to reinstall the reverse cable.
Cable installs right there, and then you put a pin through it. A little pin. Yep.
Pins on. Reverse.
Reverse doesn't come off now. And then there's Justin. Oh.
5 foot-pounds. Finish the torque by hand, like a true pro. Oh yeah, that's right. That's
Torque.
click.
Torque to spec.
And click.
You hear the click? It means it's torqued.
Yeah.
And this guy goes right in there. Yep. There you go. But he's got to put the bolt in first, remember? Because it's that fancy little doohickey.
Okay, you guys got that? All the children at home. Just like that. Subaru made it really easy on you. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Again.
See how fast he is? Don't forget those 2 nuts.
Seth.
Snap on. Love you, Seth. It's all because we love you.
Put the nut in, and then you just.
See how fast that was?
I'm just kidding. You start them by hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You thought that happened, didn't you? This isn't Jiffy Lube. Okay. We're not doing oil changes. Start it by hand.
Boom. Boom. And that's how you get this bolt in there like that. See that? this little nut.
Okay, yeah, that's rare JDM parts, and this is what he does.
Can I just take this? You know what? Let's just plug this little light in first here. Well, that's much stiffer, dude. Okay, as you guys could see, I was not able to finish that video that day with Eric. Well, I guess we got the part installed, we got the video install part done, but I didn't have time to do a outro. So here I am doing it now. We were on lunch break and we ran out of time, obviously. So here it is. First of all, I want to say that DarkMatterX is the best thing that I've ever gotten. It took away that slack and sloppiness in your shift knob or your shifter instantly. I noticed it instantly. Yeah, I mean, you can't really tell in the video, the clip before I had this right here, or the clip before, but it's an instant difference. Yeah, I mean, you just have to feel it to understand. So if you guys want to get rid of that shifter sloppiness in your shifter, seriously go buy the DarkMatterX. I think it's the Subaru Precision Shift Arm. That's what they call it. Go pick one up. It's the best investment you'll ever have in your life. Anyways, drop a sub, and we'll see you guys in the next one.